let's talk about anger, more specifically, angry outbursts. Now, there's two types of angry outbursts. There's older kids who just don't like what's coming at them and they let you know it. And there's littles who just like screech at the top of their lungs and you're like, what just happened there? But the bottom line is there are feelings underneath the anger. So always remember this because it will really help you to respond versus react. So the response is give yourself the moment, stop and think and process. If everybody's safe, give yourself the moment to say, what's underneath that anger? A hurt? They're hurting about something. They care about something. They're afraid of something. They want something that they can't have. Or perhaps there's a sadness going on. And so when people have angry outbursts, it means that they have reached their capacity to manage the feelings that have created that anger. So once you have that in your mind, you won't have the opportunity to have the conversation with the child about the feelings under the anger at that moment. But I have found that when I look at those feelings and don't just react, if you will, to the anger, I'm able to catch myself. Then I can use some techniques. One, with the older child, I'm able to say, you're okay. Take a moment. If I can think of 2 or 3 words that I use with kids to give them the space they need, they can often pull it together. With my littles, they won't respond as much to language as me just making sure that I co-regulate, take my own breath, make sure I'm displaying to them how I'd like their bodies to be. And that's some of the best ways I've dealt with angry outbursts.